Hot day, isn't it? Here's a refreshing homemade lassi recipe, perfect thing to have on a hot summer day, which is as easy as it sounds and can be made under a minute. Let's start. Here I've taken a bowl of curd, sugar, and Kacchi Kairi and mint syrup. Now we'll add each of these ingredients one by one into the blending jar and blend them well. Here I measured the ingredients based on my taste, but feel free to customize the quantities to your liking. Moving on, I've decorated the glass with some leftover syrup. Now we'll pour the lassi into a serving glass. I've also added few ice cubes, which is completely optional. To finish it off, I've drizzled some syrup over it and served it chilled. And that's it for the video. Follow for more.